Greetings, grasshoppers. I've got some breaking news for you, and then we've got our topic for the day. So, breaking news first. As of April 12th, 2018, you can now take payments right in Facebook Messenger if you're using the ManyChat platform. There are some other platforms out there who have had this for a little bit, but ManyChat is the platform that I use and recommend for small business owners everywhere. It is the easiest interface to use, the easiest to work with and understand, and the easiest to pick up, honestly. So this creates a great opportunity for many people. For me, bots are not about selling these shoes to people. They are about creating conversations with people, figuring out how to take that conversation to a face-to-face situation, and then continuing to build that relationships. Transactions follow, but it's not all about transactions for me. So this is something that I'll be using once in a while when I've already had the conversation with people, when I've already spent some time with them and they want to buy something. If I'm with them in Facebook Messenger, then I can just send them a real simple payment method. That's going to be really nice for me and very convenient for the other person involved. But it still is a nice opportunity for those of us who are making messenger bots. So, my friends, down to the topic of the day, using broadcasts inside ManyChat to keep your audience engaged. A lot of people focus on, how do I get more people in my bot? I am asked that question every single day of the week, most of the time, multiple times. And there are many answers for that question, right? What do you want your bot to do? What is the audience that you want? A lot of people focused on getting people into the bot. This topic is focused on, what do you do when people are there? What do you do when they've already taken your free 7-day course or been through your challenge or whatever it is? What do you do when you've already got people inside the front door? The answer is broadcasts. Taking a message and sending it to everyone you think might be interested in your bot all at the same time. So, one of the most important ways of doing a broadcast, and one of the most simple ones to write, honestly, is just this: a question. Using an open-ended question to start a conversation. Here's a case study for you. I've got a client out there. She is a coach. She wrote a really astounding book named Hilda about a year ago, and she's got a signature program that she's written around it. This signature program is, it's awesome stuff, wonderful stuff, and she is using her bot to lead people toward that program. About a month ago, she got on, she did a broadcast to all the people in her bot. She didn't have that many people in her bot at the time. It was under 100. And she was able to start 9 conversations. And she was able to also get someone into her signature program, which was quite a sale for her, and awesome stuff, all through getting on the bot and asking a simple question: are you procrastinating today? Because, of course, her book deals with those types of issues. So, thinking about, okay, how can you use that? As a small business out there, how can you use that information? You can write an open-ended question about someone. You can ask someone their opinion. You can ask somebody about their experiences. You can ask open-ended questions that will start those conversations, build relationships, and get people into the service that you offer, the products that you provide, whatever it is. Super simple to write, my friends. This thing is a sentence long. This is not a long broadcast, and it can be done real simply within ManyChat. So, great questions are opinions and experiences, and ask them about them. Ask them about them and not you. Here's the deal. People really want a human experience nowadays. They're hurting for it. They want it really badly. Starbucks ain't just selling coffee. If they were, the price would be a little bit different, wouldn't it? Starbucks just ain't selling coffee. They're selling a human experience. Create a human experience in your bot. Ask people about themselves. And you will be surprised as to what comes back to you. So that's it for today, my friends. Super awesome. Thanks for tuning in, and love you all lots and a bunch. If you have any questions about bots, come to blackbeltbots.com. And if you want to see how a bot works, go to checkoutmybot.com. There, you'll be able to take my free 7-day mini course on how bots work and what they are. If you're just exploring, you'll be able to see tactically, how a bot works, and you'll be able to experience that for yourself and decide for yourself if this is something that you want to explore for you. That's all I've got for you today, my friends. So I will see you in a bot.